Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue if your mouse is showing as disconnected your ROCCAT Kone XP Air in the driver app. That issue occurs if you are connected through Bluetooth or through wireless, because to adjust the mouse settings you need to be connected with USB. So you can plug in the USB just for the configuration purposes and then unplug it, and it will save the settings on your mouse. But for the moment you do it, you need to plug the USB in. You don't need to change the mode. It will work even if it's set to, for example, the Bluetooth mode. And you can see that I can now access the mouse settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.